guys, welcome back to my channel Math Mood. In today's video I'm going to be working through a calculator section problem which is three-parted. So let's get right into it. So I'm not going to read everything here, but basically riser height is this length right here of this stair, and then the tread depth is like the width of each stair, and the total rise is the total length of the staircase. And in this staircase there's 5 steps, and this is the formula to find any of these variables. So basically it's asking, the question number 17 is asking, which of the following expresses the riser height in terms of the tread depth? So basically we have to solve for h, which is the tread depth. Oh, sorry. That's not the tread depth, that's the riser height. So first let's write out our, oh, see, I keep mixing the two variables, whoops. Okay, so you write, and we're doing in terms of h, so this is our expression. So basically a half times 25 minus d, so b. Okay, now for number 18. The tread depth must be at least 9 inches and the riser height must be at least 5 inches. Notice that those are different variables. And what are all the possible values of the riser height? So it's already giving us that the riser height has to at least be 5 inches. So we can cross off this. Whoops. Answer choice. And now it says the tread depth has to be at least 9 inches. So if we plug into this formula, then we can find out the value of h. So 2h plus 9 equals 25. So 2h equals 16 and h equals 8. But it says the tread depth must be at least 9 inches, so that means our riser height has to be less than or equal to 8 inches. In case you wanted to check that, you can solve the tread depth like in terms of d. So instead of that, we can say 9 has to be less than or equal to 25 minus 2h, and then we can subtract 25. So we have negative, 16? And then negative 2h, and then if we divide something by negative, you have to switch the sign. So so it has to be not facing the h, and we got 8. So that's how to check for the sign. So our answer is C. Okay, on to number 19. I already underlined some of the important information. Total rise of 9 feet. So going back to the question, that's that. Riser height between 7 and 8 inches. So each of these is between 7 and 8 inches. And it has an odd number of steps, so that's very important. So because our riser height is given in inches and our total rise is given in feet, we should convert feet to inches. So I'm also going to write out that the riser height is between 7 and 8 inches in terms of an inequality, just like our question from before. And now we have to observe in our diagram that the riser height, like the relationship between the total rise and the riser height, is that riser height times the amount of steps is the total rise. So let's say the riser height is 7. 7 times 5 is 35, and the total rise would be 35. So basically we can write that information down, that NH has to equal the total rise, which is 108 inches. And we also have our riser height, so we can plug that in. Let me do that on the calculator real quick. 108 divided by 7, so around 15, let's say. And so 108 divided by 8 is around, let's say, 13.5, I guess. Okay, 13. Oh, that's an amount of steps actually, so I'll say N. So that is our amount of steps. And actually it can't be 13, it has to be 14, because if you plug in 13 into here, it will be less than 108, so I'm going to round it up to 14, 13.5 from here. So because our number of steps is odd, we have to go with 15. So remember, it's not asking for the amount of steps, so cross that out right away. It's asking for the tread depth, so all we have to do is plug 15 into our equation. So let's just plug it in. So tread depth is D. Okay, so 2 times 15 . Hold up. Sorry guys, so I missed something. So basically, since our amount of steps is 15, we have to divide our total rise by this to find our riser height. For some reason I thought that was our riser height. So yeah, everyone makes mistakes, guys. So we have to plug in 7.2. So 7.2 is not our answer, but we gotta plug it in. And then 25 minus that. So our tread depth is 10.6. Sorry, that was kind of a bad explanation, but I hope that helped, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Also, I'll link down below the last 2 videos down below, because they're pretty helpful questions that a lot of students make mistakes on, so definitely check those out. Please like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!